Yeah.
Because both my guns are down right now.
This is actually a good idea. Thanks. What's your name?
Dennis.
All right. Thanks, Dennis. Good idea. I never filmed during the freaking staging. It's a good idea.
I don't because of battery.
Yeah.
Gotta represent, man. We want to expand the Airsoft community.
Right?
We want paintball people to go down.
Oh, yeah. True that, true that. Really can't say that, though, because we're sponsored by a paintball field, so.
True.
Yeah.
Hey, but whenever I turn 18, I'm going to the Milsim event. So.
Oh, I hear that.
Yeah,
I hear that.
This is crazy.
Yeah, I suggest American Milsim.
Yeah, American Milsim.
Yeah. Up line claws, too. Yeah.
Oh, Milsim's a good place to start.
Yeah. Yeah. American Milsim is the way.
18.
All right, so what do we got?
A lot of green's gonna die.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then a lot of tan's gonna get the shit pushed in.
Yeah, oh
And
yeah.
a lot more green's gonna die.
Well, you know, the numbers thing.
And then a lot of green are gonna die, and a little bit of tan is gonna get the
Well, I'm
shit.
going to take at least 25 or 30 down before I get shot. So,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Most definitely.
I got the range game on them.
Hey, man.
Oh, brother. What's going on, man?
seen you in a while.
Hey, nice outfit.
I try.
Yeah, love that. Yeah, I said that because, you know, we got the same.
I was here in June, but only for half of the day. So.
Oh, yeah? You got to work or something?
No.
Wife?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, I hear that,
I mean that
man.
I'm nowhere near good enough to do a whole day.
Oh, I hear that, man. I suck wind the last half, but I try to push through. How's it going, guys? It's X Large with Team Alpha Recon. Here's a little bit of footage from Operation Gridwall, the August installment for 2015. Tan was greatly outnumbered by green in this particular op, but we managed to do a lot of damage with the little bit of amount of players that we had. So check it out and stay tuned for the action. Got him. You hear him? He's raging, dude.
God dang it.
Man, I didn't shoot him hard. I shot him in the arm. Who needs a medic? Hey guys, they're in this little patch of woods right here. Right across the fence. Copy that. They're a little bit further ahead of you, Doug. I hear one with LMG or something.
Can my dad move that way?
Yeah, yeah. All right, go right across the back of blocker, tap him, and then move to the next one.
Hey, we need you guys over here.
Who is you guys? If you need a medic, call it out. Copy that. Look, man, there's a little bit of sporadic fire coming from that little pass in there. You see it?
Is it possible if I can crawl up there?
Sure, sure. But you got to get low, bro.
No, it's good. Hold my gun.
Yeah, I got you.
No, this one. Kind of locked. Thank you.
Here's your, oh, never mind. It's attached to it.
Yeah, it's my temporary spring.
All right, I'm gonna leave that right there for you.
Okay, so you say he's right here?
Yeah, look, you can see him sticking out of the side of the woods right there. You see him? Look.
Right there?
Yeah, you see him running?
Yes.
Be easy when you go up there.
You got bogey to your left.
Hey, watch it on our left. We're taking the hill.
Alpha Recon! Alpha Recon, hey, down there, blocker. We're gonna shift. We are. We're gonna shift. They're taking the hill. They're taking the hill.
Already have?
They are right now. Come on.
They are on the hill. Green's on the hill.
Come on, guys.
Doug, look to your left.
All right, guys, we're gonna start buddy rushing in, barrel to barrel. Hey, right there in front of you, right there in front of you.
Look, right out there in front of you. No, no, right out there. No, straight. No, no, look, turn. Look. I got him. Oh, here, y'all stop bunching up, y'all. Spread out, spread out. He's down, he's got a dead rag up. Hey, I'm taking fire from the left over here somewhere. Hey, Steven, move over here, move over here and get security, dude. Has anybody got eyes on that shooter on the left side? Got him. He's down. Hey, we're gonna have to start shifting over here and flank, okay? Like he just said, hit, hit, medic, medic. Get down, get down. One pass. That's good. All right, guys. Hey, hey, on me. You ready? We're shifting. Hey, lay down cover fire. We're all gonna run over here. Buddy rush though, one by one, okay? You ready? Go.
I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at. We keep.
Go. Moving. All right, Rat, shift them over. Start coming our way. Try it. Get ready, they're coming. Right there. Left side of the building. He's gonna come out right there.
Right.
All right. That's a teammate, teammate, teammate.
Teammate! On fire!
Teammate. Who all is down? Who all is down? Irish, y'all take a small squad and start pushing up on that left side of the fence line where they can't see you.
Friendly!
Copy that. Look, I see something moving back there. Get ready. See him? They're right there in front of you, Steven. Look. My battery's dying. Yeah. Hey man, my gun's down. Hey dude, my gun's down. Yeah.
You got a sidearm?
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna use. Blocker! Try to shift over this way. We're all over here. Lay down, cover, and fire. Go ahead and move up to the red building. Blocker, do you read? Hey man, my gun's down. Yeah, I got one, that's what I'm gonna use. Copy that. That's friendlies.
Friendlies?
Yeah. That sucks. Battery's dead. I charged that thing too.
Let's go this way.
All right. You think my gun will be all right sitting here? Yep. Hey dude, are you coming back up here in just a second after you go back? All right, cool man. Hey, if you stay back in this field and don't move up for a second or whatever, could you just watch my gun for me? It went down.
Yeah, sure.
Appreciate it, brother. Let's make some moves. Go ahead, you got a little bit more firepower than I do. Right in front of you, dead in front of you. Hey, them bibbies are hitting right in front of you, bro. Right in front of you, dude. Inside the tire. Shit. You got a tag nade?
I do.
Launch one down that fucking trail, bro.
Dude, that dude needs to move.
What are they talking about?
You see where our guy is? The blue barrel to his left. There's somebody right behind where the red dead man is.
Yeah, there's a guy to the right.
Got him. Yeah. My pistol's out of gas now. Hey man, can you run up and drag him back? Leave your gun there.
And we got more typical green
Oh, there's like
bullshit, dude.
about 20 of them over there that aren't even calling their hits. I shot one right in the face with a pistol. He had to call it.
Should put on some sugar spray, but I'll just deal with it later. You alive?
Yep. Did you see that, dude?
Yeah.
He shot like 10 feet. Aim higher, aim higher. There you go, there you go. Let him have it.
First move. They're dead, they're dead. Hold fire.
Hey, that's a dead man.
Dead man.
Oh shit, mom's calling.
We just lit them up. Hey, you should answer that. You want to get down right here, bro? You can't ignore your mama, man.
But Milsim.
But Milsim.
But Milsim.
Awesome answer, dude.
Here's the funny thing about Airsoft, what I love about it is a lot of times...
Dude, I have full auto completely disabled in this, but it's kind of like, it's messing up.
A lot of times people don't know the range of the weapons. So they're shooting at us, but they're not reaching us. That's the funny thing about it.
Okay, just walk through there.
Why is he going that way? Isn't he arcing?
Cool. There's a dude laying right in that patch of woods. I can see him through my scope. Hit, you hear him? Yeah. Nice shot, dude.
What I do is I just...
You saw him?
It all happens so fast.
Yeah, I know.
But
I'm pretty sure that that's not an LMG that just fired full auto. Watch this left side right here. Make sure they don't come up over here and flank us. They're shooting at that guy right there.
you don't want to be that guy.
I'm on the right side holding down this trail. Brett was over here. He had some targets for me, so I started taking them down real quick, me and my buddy. Are y'all in need of support?
Mom's calling again. I'll be right back.
Copy. Y'all just hit me up when y'all need a long gun.
Okay, Lodge. I'm leading the push. Keep me covered.
All right. Watch out. They're right there in that line. If you're on green team, you should probably remove yourself from this channel.
Got people on your channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's this kid on my channel.
Yeah, he keeps hitting the button.
Yeah.
V button. Whoa!
Where the hell did that come from?
That was shooting pretty hot. Did you see that? That was shooting hot. Oh, dude. Dude, what the hell? Yeah.
I don't think it was on the
There we go. That's a shooter.
Where did that come from? All right, hey, what's the general direction you see that fire coming from?
Look right through there, dude.
All right, roger that.
Oh, dude, yes. Bye-bye. Yeah, nice, dude.
That was my only one left.
Hey, it was worth it.
Why did you tell me that before I shot?
Nah, there were 3 dudes
Oh,
back
were
there,
there?
yeah. That was where the LMG was firing from, man. The dude that just shot at them was sitting right there. They're only firing at these dudes right here. I don't know if they can even see over here. I don't know, man. I haven't heard anything.
Watch my baby. I'll be right
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. Game! Game! I'm not about that life, though.
Yeah, I want to run, step in a ditch and face plant.
We're about the thug life. Just walk up.
Yeah, I'm about that. That's my life right
You
there.
know how the old bull and young bull. Young bull goes to town.
And then the old bull whoops his ass when he's tired.
No, yeah, the young bull goes down there and fucks the young bull is
as fast as he can. Old bull walks and kind of fucks them all.
Yeah. Yeah.
All of them.
He's like, I'm gonna get a piece of everything.
I'm not wasting my energy on the run.
Already.
Look.
They're already at the hill. Now, who is that?
Green's already over.
That's green. That's green.
Yeah, they're already over there.
Stop hitting the call button. All right, gentlemen. Spread out on line and push up. All right, guys, take your time. Yeah, yeah, he's crazy.
Because they actually ran.
No, they started over there by the tire fort. So it's not like it's like 100 meters.
Hey, Lawrence.
Yeah.
Why don't you get in the building since you got the DMR?
Our guys on the hill are going to get...
Well, I want to get a little bit close. Hey, he's right there on the fence line. Look. Oh, he's down. Don't worry about it.
Hey, you can see guys right here.
Yeah.
They can't even reach
Our
over
guys
here,
on the
dude.
barrels are going to get nailed because there's nobody across the fence yet.
Oh, hey, we're gonna have to move. Shift, 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 shift.
Where'd you get shot from?
Just wait. Just wait.
Watch your name. Watch your name.
Look, 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 look. See that little pile of brush right there?
Yeah.
I got him. Yeah, you see him? Right where my BBs are.
What is it? Pull him out.
Look, look, black right there, black right there. He's down? All right, I got him.
Let it.
What the heck, he's not hit? What the heck, he's not hit? I got him.
You got a hand up.
That dude's hit shrugging like.
He's hit.
Yeah, you see him?
Yeah, even I hit him.
Yeah. I got him. He's down. Oh!
Is he really down?
Yeah. He walked out with his hand up. I mean, he might be using that as a.
There's one behind the double barrels that was strapped to the...
Oh, no, yeah, I shot him just a minute ago and he just sat there.
Okay, now he's hit.
I got him, dude. they're just pinned in that corner if y'all wanna. Oh, they already moved. They're popping smoke by the fence post. Got him. He's down. I got my hop up all the way up, dude. Rip them, rip them.
There's a bunch of them coming out from that side.
Yeah, I've already shot the 3 that are on that side. Guys, this is team deathmatch, so we do not have to push. Just get kills. Let them come to us. In the trail, right there, straight down the trail. He's crossing from left to right. Look, you'll see him. Watch my BB. Oh, shit. I'm double feeding, dude. Guys, hold what you got. This is team deathmatch. We do not have to push. Right side, right side. Right side. Oh, dude. There we go. I got him. He's down. Hey, look! Right there in front. Hey, you by the barrel up in the very front by the fence line. Somebody get his attention. Straight ahead, like, look to your right, like you're 3 o'clock. They're right there in the trail. Adon! Right there. They're right there in the trail to your right, Adon. Yeah, we can. I got this engagement distance though, you know what I mean? Hey, watch out, guys. There's dead men walking through there. Check your fire. Do we have any LMGs on our side? In the tree line, right there in front of you guys. Right there. Straight ahead, there's BBs coming right at you.
Where are they?
Look, come up here with me.
Where? By the black barrel?
Give him cover, guys.